What's up guys, Jonathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you how to S-turn. So the S-turn is a beginner maneuver that allows you to actually start linking turns and the edges of your board, so you're not just heel sliding down the whole mountain, burning your thighs. It's really an important maneuver that you need to learn as soon as you can. That'll take your riding to another level. All right guys, so before you start doing anything on the run, let's just talk about stance real quick. You want to make sure that you're stacked, knees bent, shoulders up, head up. You're not riding like this, and that you're not leaning over for your turns. And also, you always want to keep your head up and not looking down at your turns. A lot of beginners like to look at their feet when they're snowboarding and they're like this, and it causes a lot of like simple little falls. Butt down, knees bent, head chest up, head sideways. This is going to be our stance while we practice these simple maneuvers. Alright guys, so when we're doing an S-turn, we're steering with our knee and basically our shoulder, but mainly our front knee does all of our driving. So what I want you to think about is when you're doing a heel turn, you're going to be opening the door with your knee. You're going to be taking your knee and pulling it out. That's going to put you on your heel edge. So we're riding, we open the door, we're on our heel edge. So now when we want to go to our toe edge, we want to crush a little bug that's under our foot. So we're going to take that knee, we're going to bring it back in, and we're going to put the pressure on our toes and crush the bug, as well as take our shoulder and bring it with us. So it's open the door, we're riding, crush the bug, we're on our toe side turn. The other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go across what's called the fall line, and we're gonna make sure we're going very straight across the run. So don't do this on a very busy day like a Saturday on a very busy run. You don't wanna get smoked, but you want to heel side, crush the bug, shoulder down, go across the fall line. You're not gonna get a ton of speed. That's the best part. You're gonna be going nice and slow, kind of just carry that nice and slow. When you get the confidence, you're feeling good, we're gonna then open the door and keep our head up and look across the next fall line, and we're just gonna be able to keep going right across. Then, once again, crush the bug, bring the shoulders down when we got that confidence, we're feeling good, and then go across the fall line. Biggest thing is after you have now learned to do that a couple of times, do it nice and slow, you can then go a little less down the fall line, get a little bit more speed, and then bring it back. And then if you ever get scared, if you're uncomfortable on your toes, make sure your toes are always across the fall line, but your heels can be a little further down. You get a little speed, and then you go back to the toes, go across the fall line, lose all that speed. And just keep practicing that, and you'll get better and better and better. Alright guys, so this video was for all the beginners out there, and I hope it really did help you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and subscribe to our channel. We want to help you become the best snowboarder possible. Also guys, if you already know how to carve, whatever, but you have a friend and you want to teach them, send them this video. This is a good starter video for them to see. The other thing is, if you want to work with me, I do have a Snowboard 101 course on my Patreon page. Check it out, it's linked in the description. Or if you want to snowboard with me, hang out, make a vlog together, I have a 101 shred day option in my Patreon. We get to show up on the mountain, we get to rip together. It's super sick, and I know a ton of you guys do want to snowboard with me. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thanks for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't ever gonna need nobody, no, no.
Oh my God! Oh!